So what's up people, I think everyone are doing good. Okay, let's jump into the video. So in this video I'll teach you about how do you use a sleep command. So sleep command is basically used to pause the execution of a shell script or a command for a specific amount of time. Let's say that you need to pause the terminal for 5 seconds. Okay, so you need to specify sleep and then 5 and then press enter. So this will count 1 2 3 4 5. After 5 seconds it will prompt the next what terminal line. Okay, there is only one thing that you can use a sleep command, that is to pause for a seconds. There is no minutes and hours, that has been cancelled. So you can also use what man page to view the sleep command. Then there is nothing that you can use with us this sleep. Okay, also you can use help, that will show no arguments, because there is no arguments with this. You can use only sleep with for 2 seconds, 1 2, that will prompt to the next terminal. That's all guys. So there is nothing that you can go do with sleep commands without without stopping the terminal for a particular seconds. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.